Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast for 20th and 21st of June 2023, and today I will be discussing most of these pairs that are right here, like euro dollar, dollar yen. Obviously, the weekly levels that I have discussed, I'm like the whole analysis in is in front of you, and you can check back my weekly forex forecast video. So I'm sure you will learn more of the bigger levels. But since this is a daily forex forecast, so the format of the analysis and the strategy is in such a way that intraday traders, day traders, weekly traders, long-term traders, investors, anyone can invest in the markets using this Fibonacci strategy. So since today was US closed, like banking holiday, I guess. So today, still no doubt, market moved very nicely right here. Even I live streamed it as well, right here. So still, like, even the market is so slow that my TP was from right here somewhere near this zone 25 pips, I guess, but it even didn't move. It's still ranging right here. So in the early session, no doubt it moved nicely, but later it ran out of steam. Stay with me, there will be one intraday and daily trade opportunity as well. But if we specifically discuss this one for the day traders, I think like this is the weekly level 1.07353, and I'm looking at this market, and to me, these, like, the market gives such moves so many frequently. It's been like almost the 8th years till now so far. So very nice rejection. Now tomorrow, since we had a very low volume day to day, we can get a retest, and I think if I get a chance, I may be trading it to the bottom side. Let's see. There is one advantage if I look for the downside as a day trader, remember, an intraday trader. The benefit is that I will have just 66 pips of stop loss, and the downward range is 176 pips. So this is one day trade opportunity. There is another one, and that is like even it will have more less, like very less stop loss, but this is like an intraday, and the setup will look something like this: a straight sell from 1.09449. Maybe you can adjust it like this if you don't want to miss it, and this will be an intraday one. So if the market go back up there, this will be an impulsive wave. There is some problem in my writing pen, and this particular trade setup can give a good opportunity of how much pips, 65 pips and a TP of 32 pips. So this is obviously another trade setup, and personally I'm interested in it because here is one thing I want to tell you, and that is, on the H1, let's say if it breaks, right, it will help us decide that maybe this Fibonacci 61.8 right here, if we get a close above this, we can then postpone taking buy trades from here and look for something else right here, maybe a breakout and then a correction and then a trade. So that depends on the market, but according to the Fibonacci and my strategy, it clearly suggests a downward move. Now if it doesn't move that way, This is forex, it can happen. We should not be worried about it because we are just having 35 pips of SL. So, and obviously TP is 61 pips, so seems nicely, right? A very nice clean range. And I also seem like I also think as the market will be sharply coming down. Maybe it can go till 1.07, but uh, the intraday one shows me this till now so far. Move on to the dollar yen. It is still bullish, okay, and I am not interested to take any sort of buy at this particular moment. It has a reason, because this yellow line and this 61.8 number, if you see, and this 142.251 is actually a very long level right here. First we have a Fibonacci right here. The second is, let's see if this zone gave a breakout out of it, and let's see this one. Yes, very fine. So let's see that on the H4 maybe there is something, because see the previous one completed here, it dropped, and there is a very tiny story going on at the moment. This one, but obviously right here a buy that I cannot suggest. Also the RSI, if you see, it is near 80. So let's see, I want to stay neutral about dollar yen. Gold US dollar, if you see, it moved very nicely, and it is going according to the plan. The weekly plan that I had is 1 2 3 4. So nice drop, because the sell zone is active from here, and the TP might seems no, sorry, the TP will be near 1940. So till tomorrow I can still see 1940, and then I will try to take a trade with the anticipation that I will generate 463 pips with a 220 pips of SL. But don't worry about this SL, because if the market is going to continue down right here on the lower time frames like the H1, we can find a clue that okay, now it's reversing or it's breaking down, so we can manually close it, because trade management is a very important part of my strategy and the overall plan. If we overall look at this gold setup right here on the H4, there are some hidden levels, and obviously they are long term, so let's forget about that for now. Pound dollar, we have a news tomorrow as well, the CPI year on year change. But obviously I will remain, since like I'm mainly looking for a bullish, for a bearish from 1.29836. So I also want to stay neutral about it. But if we specifically talk about the strategy obviously now suggests a drop till 1.25178, and let's add this 50 as well, 1.25716. so somewhere this zone for a buy. And for an intraday in day trades, there is one opportunity. Let's see, like no doubt it's coming back down, but I think if any sort of bottom, if we can wait till that, who knows if it's going to break this level. If we wait for a top, maybe that will be so much suitable for us. Otherwise, according to the strategy, it is showing from this zone, it is showing a sell trade upon the break below. Let's say if market closes below 1.27690, then it will be continue pushing down towards 1.25716. And seems like the volume has increased at this time. I'm not sure why. Usually markets are very slow, but seems like the daily candle is going to close, so due to that reason, if I specifically discuss the price action on this one, I will need a close on daily candle. The daily candle should close below 1.27811. Otherwise this range will become like this whole area will become a range if this daily candle do not close below 1.27811. so let's see that one. And still, like, we have 42 minutes left, 42. So let's see if it, like, but at this time I'm not sure if it will have enough volume. Anyways, Aussie dollar, US dollar, same setup is going on, so same chart analysis, and these are the, make sure to check out my weekly forex forecast. Dollar Swiss franc has in this news a very in this week a very strong fundamental data coming. Dollar CAD has a very nice setup, and I don't want to go into the detail of all of the previous analysis at this stage, but it is clearly showing a sell sign. And this I might be taking, I might not be taking, let's see. This whole area is a sell towards 1.30881, and the final leg will be completed, and from right here I may become once again bullish. So a nice opportunity of 183 pips with a stop loss of how much? Stop loss of 88 pips. So again, let's see, we will be closely observing it as well. New Zealand US dollar, it also dropped from my level 0.62342, and same situation, but it moved a little bit well today. It moved how much? 1 2 3, almost, like, in today it moved 37 pips. Well, yes, it's okay, not too big volume today. nzdusd, it also shows me a drop till 0.60784. how much time may it take, I'm not sure, but obviously if market closes above 0.623342, then I will be looking for something else, right? Crude oil, I have not discussed it since a while. 76 was my zone, and seems like still it is ranging there at 71, but no doubt it moved very nicely bullish. Still, I think there are some valid opportunities to trade. I think it should now go up. Let's see if there is any correction. Well, even this price action has confirmed a further bullish move. So yes, a smaller one, this particular one will have just a TP of around 15 pips. Well, yes, but the long term plan, obviously, that is to look at this as bullish till 76.12. But obviously this candle that closed, the last candle, if we see the red, this can seem like a bit scary. So let's see if we can get a further retracement. Let's see, market may be technical today, tomorrow as well, and today it was technical, purely technical. So this candle is alarming, and it is showing a back down till 69.46, a further drop of 16 pips. So from here, this trade setup I will be more interested in. Just have a look at it, a very perfect one. This particular setup will have 18 pips of SL and 37 pips of TP, so almost like 1:2. 2 is your target reward, and 1 is your risk. Silver US dollar booked good profits on this one, but make sure to check out my weekly plan, weekly video. I see it coming down till 23.727 once again, and fresh bulls will enter from right here towards 24.77, and maybe we can get a little bit further down move till 23.595. so let's see. Overall this seems very nice as well. Remember, here is one advice, and that is, whenever you trade with Fibonacci, try to trade those setups which have a good risk to reward ratio. Even today in the live session I discussed it, and I clearly said that you also have to look for your trade management as well. You have to look at your risk as well, that how much you are risk you are going to take on a particular trade setup. Try to make a checklist and do this just for 1 week. I'm sure do this just for 1 week and you will be completely profitable, and you can see your positivity as well, and you will be giving me prayers in the comment section down below that half of the technique works. So this is the silver, let's see, and overall nice opportunities right here. See like how many of the pairs I have discussed. Even despite of this analysis and my previous analysis, if you are not taking good decisions, what else can I do? Like, you know, these markets, if you trade it to the right way, you can get so many profits from it. But I'm not sure why people have problems understanding strategies. Not even this strategy, most of the strategies. So in the coming episodes, make sure try to appear in my live sessions, because I do teach all of the most important concepts as well. Or try to watch those videos, those live streams, the recorded ones later. So let's see. Market was very slow, very boring as well. I did live stream and discussed some concepts, so try to check it out if you have time. So I will see you tomorrow in the New York session live. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to give me your thumbs up on the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.